¿Te gusta? ¿Te reconoce?
Sono più bello lì che da te. Anche più duro. Quanto tempo hai seguito?
Number 46 here, going over to his fans. He has brought joy and inspiration to millions of people worldwide, and that's lovely to see. He goes to embrace Pecco Bagnaia, who wins Valentino Rossi's last ever Grand Prix race. That's great to see, look, a big embrace. They're great, great friends, Valentino and Danilo Petrucci. These are fantastic scenes as every single rider that started that Grand Prix comes up to congratulate Valentino Rossi on what has been a truly remarkable career. The celebratory gathering for Valentino Rossi at turn 2 with his MotoGP rivals, peers, they're all stopping full of respect for the number 46. We will never see his like again.
Vai Lin! Ma farinelli da sera? Grande!
I enjoy a lot, so I have to say thank you to everybody, to all the guys that always work with me, but also to all the people of the paddock, to all the other riders, because today was an unforgettable.
Rossi is the 125cc world champion for 1997. Rossi wins the race. He wins his second world championship.
Rossi c'è! Rossi c'è! Rossi c'è!
Valentino Rossi will take victory and the world title.
Bravo Valentino Rossi un'altra volta.
Valentino Rossi wins his fifth world title.
It's Rossi on the Yamaha. He is the world champion.
Che spettacolo!
7 world titles for Valentino Rossi.
Bravo, 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 complimenti!
The 2008 MotoGP world champion. Valentino Rossi becomes the world champion.
Fantastico!
Valentino Rossi is back.
Rossi c'è, vince!
150 Grand Prix victory.
A long journey, but I'm very proud of my career because I enjoy a lot.
We'll be right back.